Guys! Nag-put na ako ng Prada ko dyan. Hindi ko pa na-try yan. Oo, ako din eh. Yung pampaypay mo, trust ba? Oo, trust din to. Trust the process. Trust ito guys. Trust the process. I've never seen anyone model for condom this way. Wow, Sir Alex. Uy. Hindi ko pa na-try yan. Ako din, Sangkro. Hindi ako gumagamit ng condom. I will do all natural. Yeah, me too. Oh, I'm a minor. Yeah, I'm a minor, guys. Stop. Just pull out. Wow, mali si Sir Hawak ko eh. She's showing and selling them like candy. That the best. Hala? Meron kami premiere katong may dat.